We empower women and girls through adventures in nature that inspire, build strength, courage, confidence, and trust. Our retreats, workshops, and personal coaching are designed for one purpose: to unlock your personal potential. We are nature. We share DNA with every living being on this planet. And when we spend quality, focused time in nature, we heal not only ourselves, but the whole world around us. My name is Susie Kincaid. I've lived here in beautiful Colorado for nearly 40 years. As a professional nature-connected coach, I've worked with incredible women from all walks of life. And together we've tapped into the healing power of nature, making ourselves stronger and more complete. So I encourage you to take that next step for yourself. Call or send me an email. We have extraordinary workshops, retreats, and coaching for all women and girls in life's transitions. Life is an adventure, so come adventure, learn, and grow with us.